What's up, guys? It's Nick here.
Laiyah here.
And today we're going to be doing another Barbie Color Reveal. This one is going to be the beach series. So, it says on here that it comes with 7 surprises. Can't wait to see those. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you really excited?
Yeah!
I think she's excited. Let's get started. Alright, first we're going to remove the packaging so we can open it. So go ahead. You can see already that there have a few mystery items in it.
And I see the shoes.
And she sees the shoes, as she stated. You remove the lid. Hold on. Okay. The first item, she says it's a Barbie. What do you think it is? She thinks it's a Barbie. Alright, we're going to leave that right there. The next item is another item here. Here's another one. Another. This Little Miss Know-It-All. And one more. So she states. Yeah. So it comes with some instructions. So to get started, we're going to fill up the cylinder with warm water.
And they have a picture right by the back.
And it comes with directions that show the step-by-step process.
And guys, we had this one. We had that one.
Oh yeah, she's taking the one that we have. We have actually a few of these, but it's a collection in this series. So let's get started. All right, so now that we filled up the cylinder,
we're gonna get the package.
we're gonna open up the big package. Drum roll, please. Exactly. All right. You can open it up.
It's pink with curly hair. I know.
So here, they don't know, so you can't say. So you can see this one here is all pink.
That's another Barbie like that one.
It's all pink. You can see the silhouette of the hair, the body, but you don't know what the actual colors are. Look at the hair. Just the silhouette of the hair alone looks pretty neat.
But guys, I know what it is. It's another Barbie.
Alright, we're gonna start it off.
Let's put it in.
We're gonna dip it in the warm water. You can already see that it's starting to change colors. That's pretty neat. It's making a weird noise. You gotta splash it around a little bit. You gotta turn it almost like the effect of a washing machine almost.
What?
Yeah.
That's so weird.
Turn it back side to side. You want to get all of the
Let me see.
the paint off of it.
That was like.
Yeah, it ain't the same one you already had like you thought. Ha! Here we go. All right, we're gonna open this. We're gonna pull it up. As you can see,
it's like a different Barbie when she finished doing the hair. We have to
hold on one second.
really
so most of the dye is off. I'm gonna dip it in upside down just to make sure I get everything off.
Guys, don't talk to my daddy.
Laiyah.
Sucking out water. Yeah.
Alright, once you dip it in the water, get it out, get all the dye off, you're gonna dry her down.
When she's done, we can open up those packages.
What she just said. Alright, let's see.
Whoa! Daddy, look at that! Her hair!
And it went from all pink to
This.
blue.
So, I'm gonna get her dress. And then, we'll put, and she have it.
Pretty neat.
Okay, so now, when we dry her off, we can open up the other part.
Alright, now that we've dried her off, as Laiyah stated, we're gonna open up the other packages. We're gonna first start with
The green.
the green package. So you just rip it like this. See here? Just pull it. Just pull it all the way up. Good job. What do we have there?
Shoes.
Shoes.
Those are my favorite part.
We got some orange shoes here. Those are pretty neat.
I think she's a fashion designer.
You think she's a fashion designer? Okay. Alright, what you got here? Good job.
Glasses.
Glasses. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Check those out. Oh, wow. So we have a beach towel, actually.
This one, I bet it's some clothes.
Pretty cool.
I bet those are clothes. A shirt?
It almost looks like,
A beach shirt.
yeah, it's like a
Beach shirt?
see-through
Wait, let me see.
beach shirt. I don't know the technical term. So.
Wait, Mom, Daddy, look. Alright, now we're gonna get her dressed.
Let's go. Alright, this is a towel right here.
So let's put on that.
You got it?
That is the wrong.
No, that's right. Right there.
Oh, other way. Let's see if. Wait.
Let's hold it. Alright, we got her beach shirt on.
Okay, now let's put on her shoes. The peaches little shoes. They're like peaches.
Okay, they're like peaches. All right, we got the shoes. Now we're gonna
Put on
her glasses.
Yeah.
Cool. And she has her beach towel. All right, that concludes the Barbie Color Reveal. What do you think about this one?
That one was so cute.
So cute. You love it? You like it?
I love it and I like it. I both.
All right, thank you guys for watching.
You know we love you.
Peace.